Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Worldwide Tutoring. Today in this video, we'll see how to factor polynomial with degree 3 or greater. We use factor theorem to determine a factor of the polynomial f of x. Polynomial is divided by any factor, like for example x minus a. So if f of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of polynomial. So that is a factor theorem. We apply this to find the factors of this polynomial. So here x to the power 3 degree is 3. So there should be 3 factors. Yes, x times x times x. So x cubed we get. So we know that there should be 3 factors. Now here the constant is 60. So we see what are the possible factors of 60. So plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3. All these are we can divide by 60. And also plus minus 4 and plus minus 5, plus minus 6, and plus minus 10, 12, and 15. Okay, so in this polynomial, we'll sub 1 and see we are getting 0 or not. If we are getting 0, then it is a factor. So initially, we have to try positive 1. If we are not getting 0, then we try negative 1. Then not getting 0, then we try plus 2, then minus 2. So sure, we'll get some 0 and we'll know one factor. So let's try now 1. So f of 1. So for x, we'll write 1 cube plus 9 1 square plus 8 times 1 minus 60. So we get 1 plus 9 plus 8 minus 16. So we get 18 minus 60, 42, negative 42. So we know this is not a factor. So f of 1 is negative 42. Now we'll try positive, negative 1. Okay, so f of minus 1 we try. Negative 1 cube plus 9 negative 1 square plus 8 times negative 1 minus 60. So again you get here negative 1 plus 9 minus 8 minus 60. So we know now we'll not get 0. So what answer you will get? Let us see. 69. So we get negative 60. So this is also not a factor because we are getting some value, not 0. Now let's try now f of 2. So third one we'll try f of 2. So everywhere for x we write 2. So is equal to x cubed plus 9x square we'll write here plus 8x minus 60. This is f of x. So 2 cube plus 9 2 square plus 8 times 2 minus 60. So 2 cube is how much? 8 plus 2 times 2 4 times 9 36 plus 16 minus 60. So here we get 60 minus 60. So it's 0. So f of 2 is equal to 0. It means x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. So first, initially, we have to sub 1 and see, or negative 1 or positive 2. If not getting 0, then negative 2. Sure, we will get one factor. So now we know with f of 2, we are getting 0. So x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Now to find one factor, we know x minus 2. To find other two factors, we do synthetic division to find the quotient. So synthetic division we'll do now. So coefficients are 1, 9, 8, and negative 60. So this is 1, 9, 8 and negative 60, and we are dividing by same 2. So bring this down 1. So multiply 2 times 1, 2. Add, we get 11. Multiply 22. Then add 30. Sorry, 60. So 2 times 30 is 60. The 60 minus 60 is 0. We should get 0 because we know is a factor. The remainder should be 0. Now we want this quotient. So quotient is x square so x square plus 11x plus 30. Now this is simple trinomial. You can factor them. So x square means x times x. Multiples of 30. 5 times 6 is 30. If we add them, we get 11. So the factors are x plus 5 and x plus 6. So the factors are x plus 5 and x plus 6. And x minus 2 are the factors of this polynomial. Clear? Okay, next question, we'll do one more. Take a little darker one. X cubed plus minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. X cubed means, so we should get 3 factors, x times x times x. So first we find the multiples, the factors of 24. So plus minus 1 plus minus 2, we can divide, and also by 3 and 4, then 6, and then 8, and so on, 12 and 24. So first we try one. F of x is this. F of x equals x cubed minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. So we try one now first, and f of 1 equals 1 cubed minus 3 1 square minus 10 times 1 plus 24. We get 1 minus 3 minus 10 and 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So negative 13 plus 25. So we get 12. So you know f of 1 is 12. So it is not a factor. Now we try negative 1. Okay. Same way, the f of negative 1 will be negative 1 cube minus 3 negative 1 square minus 10 times negative 1 plus 24. So we get 1 cube is negative 1 minus 3 and 10 plus 10. So again, we will not get 0. Negative, negative, positive 10. So we get negative 4 plus 34. So which is 30. So f of negative 1 is 30. Again, it's not a factor. Then we try 2. So f of 2. So 2 cube minus 3, 2 square minus 10 times 2 plus 24. So 2 cube is 8. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And minus 20 plus 24. So it becomes 24 plus 8 is 32. So 32 minus 32. See, now we are getting 0. So f of 2 is 0. It means x minus 2 is a factor. Because we are plugging 2, so in the bracket it becomes minus. So x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. So one factor you got x minus 2. So two more factors we have to find. We do now synthetic division to find the quotient. So exponents are in order, decreasing order 3, 2, 1, 0. So write the coefficient. Here is 1, -3, -10 and 24. And same way we divide by 2. So bring down 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. So if you add, we get -1. Multiply, -2. If you add, we get -12. If you multiply, you get -24. And we get 0 here, and we should get 0 because it is a factor, so remainder should be 0. Now we want this quotient, that's why we do synthetic division. So what is the quotient? 1 degree lesser than original polynomial. Here degree is 3, so answer should be x square minus x minus 12. So now we can factor this because it's simple trinomial, so we can factor. So what are the two factors? X square means x times x. Multiples of 12, 3 times 4. To get -1, this should be -4 and 3. So plus 3 and minus 4. And other factor we got x minus 2. So f of x equals x minus 2. The three factors are and x plus 3 and x minus 4. Okay, so like this we can factor trinomial by simple method. If it is degree 4 and greater, then again we have to repeat this factor theorem so until we get more factors. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.